I don't need the cube. Create a circle and delete half of this circle. Extend the two ends to get the basic shape of the candy cane. I will convert it to curves. Go to Geometry, Bevel, Round and increase the depth to create a pipe. I won't choose fill caps because doing so will make it difficult to round the tips of the candy. Now convert this pipe to a mesh. Select the mesh ring at each end of the tube and press F to fill it. Done, move on to the shader editor section. I used a wave texture to create the main pattern on the candy cane. Add two nodes mapping and coordinate by pressing Ctrl T if you have enabled the Node Wrangler add-on. Color Ramp will help you change the sharpness as well as the width and color of these black streaks. Adjust the scale to get the size and density of the lines as you want. Once you have a good density, adjust the Z-rotation to get the required tilt and make the connection seamless. This is the contiguous part of the UV. Now I change to red. I need to add smaller red lines in the white area. So I clone these three nodes to make the red lines smaller. I will use Mix RGB to combine these two patterns together. I need one more color ramp to control the display area color 1 and color 2. Set it to black so that these two patterns appear separately. Now the black area will show the pattern of color 1 and the white area will show the pattern of color 2. You can change the width of these areas by changing the position of the colors in the color ramp. Adjust the position of the small lines here. You can change the color of the lines as you like. Hope this guide is useful to you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, see you in the next videos.